Hi there, I am Biel and I am one of the co-founders of Feater. Today I will show you how to download and set up Feater so you can use it today. Or maybe not, if you're not yet a part of the private beta program, as we are still not open to the public. Yeah, if you want to use Feater, just come here to Feater AI and join for the waitlist. We will accept you as soon as we have capacity for it. Once we accept you, you will get an email that tells you can actually create your account. So you can come here and just create an account. Once that is done, just come to the dashboard and you will see here your downloads, the support page, so you can send us any bugs, or if you have a feature idea or something that can be improved. Yes, please just let us know in this support page. And most importantly, the documentation. So yeah, we have a comprehensive documentation that will explain exactly what I'm telling you right now, and also it will give you some hints on how to use Feater. Okay, so maybe let's just follow the guide. Yeah, we can just head over to the downloads page, and we will download the installer for macOS. Um, Once that is done, we can just click and install it. Okay, the installation was successful. This installed both the BSD and the remote scripts that we use to connect to Ableton. So let's again follow the guide. We will now to configure our control surface. This is what I meant by the scripts here. These are like the different types of remote scripts. So let's just go to live settings, tempo and MIDI, and then here we will select Feater from the list. You might need to reset your Ableton if it was open while you installed it. So yeah, then we will just look for Feater in our plugins and load it in our master chain. Maybe let me just do that again so it's more clear. Okay, now what we will see when we load it for the first time is actually this page for signing in from the plugin. So we need to just click log in, and this will open a new browser tab where we can actually log in again from for so the plugin is also logged into the session. Yeah, so we can go ahead and close this. Now we will see that Feater will connect to Ableton after that. And yes, once it's connected, we can click on the config assistant, which will tell us what steps to follow next, or we can go to the documentation and keep following it. Well, we already loaded the plugin. Yes, it's recommended that you add it to your default set, so you don't actually need to add this every time. And yeah, we already logged in to the account. So what is next? We need to add Feater to our chat tools. So what does that mean? This means that if, for example, I want to use Claude, I need to go into the connectors and I need to add a new custom connector. So I will go here and I can just copy and paste it. Well, we need to click here for actually the specific instructions, right? So for Cloud Desktop, I already did all of this, but yeah, we just go to Add Custom Connector and set up the URL. Well, in this case, it already exists for me. So, but yes, maybe let's just remove it. Okay, this will add the connector. And then when we click on configure, I think I already have a session. Let's just jump into ChatGPT to showcase how it's done there, because it's actually the same kind of process. So in ChatGPT, we need to go to our settings, and then in apps and connectors, here we need to enable developer mode, because at the time of recording this, it's a beta feature. It's still not fully rolled out. And once we have activated developer mode, we can create a new connector. So we will just name it Feater and give it the link that we copied before. This is all explained again in the documentation. And then we will create the connector. Okay, nice. So now we will need to sign in again to Feater. And once we sign in, it will automatically run. It will actually tell us, like, first if we want to approve ChatGPT to access your Ableton Live session. Now that is done, and we go back to ChatGPT, and we can see Feater is now connected. So now I should be able to start using it right away. I think I might need to select it here, and I can tell it, can you see my Ableton session? And yes, so it can see here the different tools it can use. And here we actually can see all of the information of our project. Yeah, so it will tell us what tracks we have going on, what kind of devices we have. We can now ask questions about our project, or we can create new tracks. Yes, there are a lot of use cases, and we are very excited to see what you can come up with. So if you like what you're seeing, head to feater.ai and sign up for the waitlist. We hope we can keep improving this with your help. So thank you very much.